Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Mike, and I'm here to do a giveaway. It's kind of what we do here at NETER, to give away things to you. So, as you can probably tell, we're about 800 people away from 30,000 followers. So, I want to extend to you, we want to extend to you a giveaway for 5 items. So, 5 winners then. So, with 5 winners, and those 5 winners will get 1 item each. 1 individual item, so none of the packages, none of that stuff here, none of that. But if you want a comb, you want the Recto comb, the Afro comb, the Jumbo Ass comb, you want a beard comb, you want the Nebel 9, a Hathor, an Aurelia, your choice. The choice is yours if you win. Now, it's going to be quite simple. We're going to run this for a week up until next Friday. How does that sound to you? Sounds good to me. I don't know what day that is, but I'll put it in the description below. Now, what's going to happen is all you do is tag 1 person in the comments, and you got to make sure you follow the pages that are listed below. It's that simple. It's truly that simple. So you tag 1 person and you follow, right? Then that's it. Now, here's the thing, though. We're going to pick from those comments. So if you tag 1 person, right, and then that's it, and you tag another person, that's 3 entries. Now, if you tag like 10 people in 1 comment, that's 1 entry. So you might want to be strategic with this and spread it out. So if you go and you tag 1 person here and then wait a couple seconds and tag somebody else till you get 10, that's 10 whole entries opposed to just 1 entry with 10 there. Yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Well, actually, I wouldn't leave a comment below. That's kind of ridiculous. Just send me a DM, actually, if you have a question. Shoot me a DM and, you know, the choice is yours. Ask me whatever you want and I got the answer for you. But to recap one more time, we're giving away 5 items to 5 winners. 5 items of 5 winners. The item is free. The shipping is free. No matter where you live, I will send it there. Unless it's the moon. That's kind of pricey. We'll have to talk something out. But other than that, we're good to go. Send it anywhere you want, anywhere in the world, just for you. Now, with that being said, thank you so much for following, looking, liking, commenting, subscribing to NETER Gold, and I look forward to providing you all with amazing skincare products in the future. Hopefully my kid gets old enough to do some hand-eye coordination. I can start exploiting him for cool things like stirring or something like that. But as of right now, he still poops himself and I'm still cleaning it. So that's going to happen for another couple years, I hear. Excited, super excited, but see ya.